that epiphany, like, oh, you gonna keep repeating the same cycles if you don't learn your lesson. So me, my thing is not to judge anybody, no matter if they contradiction, no matter what they say, no matter what they do, because we're all humans, we all make mistakes. But we love to judge one another. We love to point to the finger at other people when they're contradicting. But my whole thing is just look at yourself in the mirror and see where you contradicting. See where you are not really being 100 to yourself or being true to yourself. And not to say you're not being true to yourself when you're being contradicting, but let's just start pointing the finger at yourself. Start fixing your flaws. Start laughing at yourself when you mess up or when you do something stupid. I mean, when you do that anyway, you're just not famous. You're just not put on a big stage. Your life is not seen by the world.